kind of settings. So this is the time that we're going to start the priming. Okay, so same unlike the Prismaplex. In the Prismaplex, you always need to choose the CVHDF, or just in case the doctor will change the settings, so we can set it up again. Here we need to choose one by one, and we can change also to CVHDF stuff, or unlike in Prismaplex, you need to choose the highest, which is the CVHDF.
So what you're saying is that we can upgrade later on.
Upgrade. So this is the button, so you just have to put it here, then enter always. Then we have two kinds of set, the adult and the pedia, but usually we're using only the adult. This one. So this is white, and just like this. If it is white, it means you are there. So adult and pedia. So choose adult and then enter. So this is the time we're going to put it up the bloodline.
You do it. You do it. No, you will do it. Not so that you will learn. It's already here. No. We will guide you. Don't worry.
So we have the temporary line. There's also one bug here, and the white part. This one. So don't lose this one, just in case there's an emergency. You can use the whiteboard emergency.
Kailangan pagawin mo ba? May battery ito, bro? Ilan sa battery? How long yung battery?
It's only 30 minutes, huh? But unlike what I said, I don't want to use the other one. I don't know what's the problem with the machine. If you are going to unplug it, it will reset. You need to reprime again. Okay? Of course, you have to maintain it steady, but
Just don't touch the edges.
okay, this is the position. So just remember, of course, of this side is for the chamber, for the gassing chamber. So this one red on the red one. So you will not get confused. Huh? Okay, so open this one always from the down part, then clockwise. Press it clockwise.
Manually you need to press.
You have to feed it like that. Huh?
Manually you need to feed them.
Always start from the downside. Then make it start properly so that you will not kink. Okay,
Actually, karito, oy.
other side.
Sabihin ko marunong ka na ito doon sa kabila. Yeah, the bottom part first. Sige.
No, always check the color first so that you will not get confused. Huh? Always start with the one with color, okay? No. Always down. Downside. Yeah. Remember the color, red, green, always on the downside. Lower part. Okay, that's it. So all of this, of course, you will not get confused also because this one is exactly at this fit. You cannot reach on this one, reach on that one. So always on the, it is exactly measured, so you will not get confused. So this one, start from here. This is the pressure button. Open like this. Then remove the white one. This one is covered also. Doesn't matter where, just as long as there's no tangle. Then press. It will click. Then no, here. Down. And the last one, red here. See, it will reach here. Huh? If it is like this, it means it will not. So it is measured, exactly measured. Remove the. Sometimes we're putting it like this so that it will not. It's okay like this, or we'll put it outside. But for us, sometimes we're putting it like this, so there will be no tangled outside.
The diagram will come here, no?
And this one here. So effluent, first effluent and the degassing chamber. You will not get confused also because there is pressure pads here and the other one is from the side. Remove it. And this one. Always secure this one because sometimes if it is dislocated, removed from here, it will cause alarm. So what you need to do is just put securement here, tape. Okay. So of course this one, Venus chamber, the gassing chamber, and unlike the Prismaplex, the temperature is from the outside from the line, but here from the side, much better. It really warms the blood. Like this. Then show that you will not get confused, put this one first. Make sure that this one with clamp is inside. Put it like this, then like that. Make sure that the clamp is on this side. Okay. Put it, okay. So that's the time you have to put this warmer. So there's a space left from this, so it will not kink. So make sure this one, there's a small button here, both sides. Just have to put it here. No, like this, like this.
I thought in the beginning you didn't do it fast.
From here. Here, the other side. Then lock it.
Remember.
Okay. So there's a space from this side.
No, it's well.
Yeah.
It will rotate, yeah.
So after that one, make sure this one also. Huh?
Can you return chamber?
This is the Venus chamber. Okay. Press, then move like that. Then if we're going to put it back, press. Okay. So this one up to here. Then press, then put it inside. Then here on the air detector,
What do you call this, Matthew?
degassing.
What is the function of this?
If of course if the fluid is getting hit here, of course there's a moisture, so it will capture
to
the
trap the
air,
moisture.
to trap down the air inside here.
Because in CRT we only have one chamber. The chamber. And also in the fluid they have another chamber.
Okay. So sometimes we're putting it like this to to yeah. Pero just prevent something.
Any questions? Suji?
Hindi ako marunong magturo talaga.
Suji, questions? Almost like the CRT.
Well,
Almost like the CRT.
the same
but
concept, but of course we have to familiarize Make sure that you know the parts so that it will not cause confusion. Huh?
Here, you need to manually feed this tube. In CRD,
It's like a
automatically.
cartridge. You just
No.
have to.
And we also have a lot of like chambers. In CRD, we only have one chamber, right?
And this one, this is the venous pressure. Okay, so just put it here like this. So that's it. So after that one, you just have to put the filter and the dialysis.
Okay, let's do it. Separate. Separate.
The same concept, red cord on the upper side. And take care of this because it's really, if you get like this, it's really, hurt. Okay.
What? Admission?
Down.
First day of handling patient.
Alas, mabi mo sila. The science there.
Okay.
Pat, ikaw na ba na dyan?
Red port and blue port. Just remove here. This is the blood compartment. And the blue part here is the blood compartment.
Would be tight, sir.
Make sure that it is properly sealed, properly attached. So for this one, this is the effluent bag. So this one is on the red and the yellow. This one is for the dialysis. Which one? Here you can see it here. This one. Okay. So red, yellow, dialysis here down. So green, blue. It's partly near the color, So red, yellow,
Red with yellow.
Bright colors. That one you just have to, because this one is easily to detach. So just have to put. Then if it is, don't push it too much. Just if it is very tight, that's enough. And for this one, for the green blue, okay. Make sure that it is pushed. Then just don't put it like this because it will remove again. So if it is tight, that's enough. Okay, that's it. So we just have to put the dialysis and the effluent valve.
Any questions? Bobby? Pwede ba itong mag-interchange?
Hindi naman.
Again, what's the color here?
It will not allow it to interchange. Pero pares lang ng port.
With yellow.
Minsan we have different kind of settings. I think CVHD. So they are not using. They will close this one. They will close this. I think so. This one. I'm not sure with the because I'm not also master of this one.
No problem. And then next one.
No, sir.
This one
Only
is this much
CVHD.
tight only.
If you have
We
any
can
questions, just
push,
ask.
right?
Yeah, don't push. Just pull it up. Actually, this machine is also new for us, but we're just trying to apply the concept that we have in the other machine. So the good side of this, so unlike in Prismaplex, we're changing every 2 hours, 1 hour. It depends on the settings. But here, we have 4 bags for the effluent and the dialysis. So we're changing sometimes. So it depends on the settings. So sometimes the lowest is 4 to 5 hours like that.
That's option. This one of the advantage. That you're not changing the blood that much.
Especially when you have a COVID patient, no need to change every economical. So this one, red one, will not get confused also. So red one, put it here on the red one. This during priming, we're using this one. So just put it here. Then for the saline, we have the white one. Don't lose this one. Because sometimes already they're throwing this white one. This one. Don't throw it. So use the blue port for this.
For saline?
Yeah, for normal saline. So you remove the spike and put it here. So this is the one that you're going to use for priming. Just spike it up. That's it.
Are we going to operate heparin again?
So if we can, it's better. We're going to put the heparin here so that we can heparinize all the cigarettes. Okay. So if you have pa rin, we can do. Remember this one, huh? Normal
Yeah.
slide, anyway blue. And
Blue
blue
with the
and red
blue.
is red. Huh? So effluent here, we're using this connector because this one has 4 connectors. So if ever you're using the 2 dialysis, 3 dialysis, you just have to close it. So since we're using 4, so we can use all of this. Anyway, Sprite is very useful to us. Just make sure it is it's sterile. Huh? So prepare on this side first. So if you're putting this effluent bag, make sure that it is bent like this, or else because if we're putting it like this and it is filled with removal, it will detach really because it's very heavy. So what we are doing is we're just hold it like this so that it is much stronger. Okay, so let us pull it first. So connect this one. More fluid. Dapat. So this one 4, huh?
So you have a lot of influence bags.
Mm.
Now, compared to the Prismaplex, you only have 1 influence bag, right? So you need to like empty it and put it back again. Here, you know, when you remove the
Four
influence
bag.
bag, you can put an empty one.
Actually, in Prismaplex, we can put maximum of 2 bags. We just have to change the effluent. The maximum is 9,000. We just have to change the settings, volume settings, because that is 5,000 settings. If you are going to explore it, you can press 9,000 and you can put 2 bags.
But the point is that by default, the set will only give you one
One
influence
bag.
bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's the
problem
standard.
sometimes, right? We
That's
don't
the
have extra.
standard.
But here you have 4.
It's better here.
Yo, ito, more wala pala sa'yo.
So you like this one better now?
Actually, this one is much better if the patient has good access, and of course if your patient is COVID, you need to go inside.
But you know, but as a matter of practice, you should never start Prismaplex or this kind of machine if your line's bad.
Yeah,
if you have
yeah.
a bad line, you should not start.
Because this one is very sensitive compared to Prismaplex, and we master already the Prismaplex. It's easy for us to get to do the troubleshooting. Unlike this one, even for us, sometimes we're having hard time also. So of course this is the same concept. We're just applying our experience.
2 to 3 bags. 3
So 4 bags here and 4 bags for the dialysis.
So you did this for 7 hours? No, mas pwede for you. I like this one now. Yeah. Troubleshooting will be a problem, and the priming also needs to be practiced all the time.
So green one for the dialysis, huh?
Yeah, okay.
You are one.
So
Agree.
we need to get also the connector.
Social distancing.
Agree mo ro?
Dialysis. Yeah. We can remove, but if you want, you can just adjust it. You can use it for your charger if you want. Nice. Thank you for having me.
Balik mo na bro.
No mistake. Make sure that this one is closed before you connect it, or don't open it yet when you connecting, because if you open both, it will spill. So you can just put it, but don't open it yet until you connected all the 4.
Sige, apat. Ready, apat.
Sige, sige.
to 5 hours.
Not bad na yun. Same as this one, ha? Put it like this. Both side. Like this, ha? Because it really happen. Sometimes it will fall. Due to, of course, the gravity, ha? Yeah. Ay, sorry. Oh, see? That's it. It's open.
Broad ba rin sir? Aquarius? Di broad yan?
Aquarius, eh.
Kanya.
Gampro ata ata?
One-ish.
Now you
So, that's the
open.
time you open, ha?
All
For this one. Actually, this one is already open. Because this one is different, ha? You just have to press it like this. Paano ito press? You just have to...
One more,
this one, there's this one. This one is open, so you just have to press it.
There are two types of bag. Okay, this bag right here. This one. I think this bag. Okay. Okay. When you connect, it's already open automatically. But for this kind of a bag, this one, you need to press here.
Press here, and also this one is sealed also.
Yeah. I think sometimes also you need to like spread it a little bit here.
Okay.
And also sometimes, Mohamed, even if you press here, there will be some problem. It will not flow automatically. Okay, so there, that will be. This one is better than this. Okay, so just make sure that it's open.
This one is for there's a lack of safety measures, but we just have to sometimes you have to push it like this if it is there's a problem with this. If you press this one and then this one is broken, so you just have to push it.
Sometimes I will let it flow, so I'm sure that there's no obstruction.
That's a good idea also. So check it if it is really flowing.
Because if it's obstructed and you're gonna prime, you're gonna do it all over again.
Oh, back to zero again.
Oh.
Ulit.
That's Crisproplex. But I don't know if it's applied here. Maybe it's also applied here.
Yeah, it's also applicable.
One of this disadvantage.
So that's it. So it's already, just make sure that before you put the dialysate, make sure to check also the laboratories because we have different kinds of potassium content. But as of now, we're not using any other because we don't have stock. So always K2.
Okay, so here's the influent. These are all the bags.
Yellow, huh?
Yeah.
Yellow. There's color also here. So yellow, and the other one is green. You will not get confused, huh? Green, yellow. Okay.
Okay. Questions?
So that's it. That's the proper
Setup.
installation or setup of this blood lines. So this is the next process. Okay. So yes. Anyway, this is the air bubble. This is the silent, balancing, and the blood flow. Okay. Then press yes. So if there's some missing or if you want to change something previous or if it is okay, so of course press yes again. So the next part now is the syringe.
Syringe. Wala kang build up na syringe. Sige. You do it.
So I don't need to. There's no. I know you already mastered this heparinization. You just have to compute. Okay?
Syringe with normal saline.
Yeah.
With normal saline or with
Normal saline and with heparin. One and none.
It depends
One
on
heparin.
it. The doctor wants your ERD to give heparin. Because to avoid clotting, the doctor will sometimes say, give this amount of heparin per hour. You can actually do that from this syringe.
Syringe.
But if the doctor will not want any heparin, We're not putting in heparin there. We're just putting
no,
the label, no heparin.
No heparin. Just pure normal saline, or how much heparin you're putting. Just make sure that there's label.
GB.
Pinacheck yung order ko.
Tell us date of the body, sir.
Just make sure also of the order, huh? If there's no heparin, of course. If there's a bleeding tendency and laboratories is already altered, of course.
One of the disadvantage of Prismaflex is that when you prime and you choose no heparin, and the doctor ordered for heparin, you cannot do it anymore, right? You need to reprime. Am I correct?
Yes.
For this one, is it the same?
No. You can
Put heparin?
you just have to put it 0 or adjust the heparin. You can put it off or
Okay. So
there's no there's so just in case you just have to put anyway, I will put heparin here and then you will just put it 0 so that will not
So this machine, if the machine is running now,
And you have order
for
for
example,
heparin.
if there's order of heparin,
That's zero.
we can go back to the menu that
no, we just have to put on the heparin settings here. Then of course there's how many ml you are pushing. You can put it to 0. You can put it on how many is the order. How much order
but
is
during priming, you're really required to put this.
Yes,
in.
that's better.
So you
Much
don't have
better.
any choice because in Prismaflex you have a choice. Because in Prismaflex you have a choice whether
Yeah.
you put the heparin or not, syringe or not.
But this one much better.
So what he's saying is that you have a choice to put the heparin. I mean, by default you should put a syringe right away.
Just put normal saline if there's no order. Okay? Then just like the syringe pump. Same And this is the heparin line.
company says at least 200, right?
Yeah. 200. You can
100 per hour.
So prepare syringe, then you will choose how many. You just have to adjust. So select volume. So this is normal 50. So what you need to do is, because this one is excess, you just have to make it 46 like that so that it will go up. Okay, so it will go up.
Okay.
So that's the time you can put it in. Make it. Yun. Okay? So after that one, you already installed the heparin. So that's the time you have to put the prime. So to prime up the line. So it will slowly push. So that's it. You already installed the heparin. Just press next. This one. If it is color white, so it means you're on this part. If it is like this, so it means you're not on this. Then press. Okay, start priming.
The cursor will just
This is also the disadvantage of this. Unlike on the Prismaflex, you just have to press it touchscreen. But on this one, there's a roller or something.
Stick how many minutes?
8 minutes.
It is Nokia.
Nokia, BlackBerry.
It's like Nokia. Sporty.
Nokia.
Prismaflex iPhone.
Da.